Hi, this is Paul Scott Murphy at Serata. I'm very excited to show you some of the great new features that are now available with the 3.0 release of Serata Data Migrator. Data Migrator provides unique functionality for live data transfer, which eliminates any delay between changes to data at your source and their availability at your targets. By using that capability, you make your data transfer both simpler and vastly more efficient than other approaches. Data Migrator 3.0 now extends the types of migration available beyond live migration to offer a scheduled migration policy as well. With this, you can define when the work is performed for a migration. While that can be less efficient than live migration in some circumstances, it gives you full control of the transfer schedule. I'll show you how. Here I want to create a scheduled data migration from Hadoop to Amazon S3. We define all of the regular information that we would to create a migration, including the scope of data to be transferred, in this case the entire content of my REPL1 directory from my Hadoop cluster. But I'm going to override the default live migration type to be recurring. With that done, I can now define the schedule. Perhaps I want it to run at 5 minutes past the hour, only on Thursdays. Or, because I'm demonstrating the outcomes for you, simply run it every minute. Once the schedule is defined, we create the migration, and Data Migrator takes care of ensuring that it's performed according to that schedule. Here I have 2 live migrations in effect and the newly created recurring migration that I've just defined. We can review the details for the recurrent schedule for that migration. Here I can see I set it to execute every minute, and shortly the minute should click past and we'll see that the latest recurrences includes the execution of that migration for the first time. We also have the ability to review previous executions of a recurring migration to determine how many times it's run in the last 24 hours or in the last 7 days. So here, the migration's kicked off, it's completed, and we've transferred data to our target environment in Amazon S3. We can review the bandwidth graph and then seeing the bucket. If I refresh that now, we have the full contents of that REPL1 folder now present in my Amazon S3 bucket. So that is the new feature for recurring migrations in Data Migrator 3.0, which makes automating your data migration goals even simpler than before. With scheduled migrations, you've got full control over when work is performed, and you don't need to rely on external tools or applications to orchestrate your data transfer. Data Migrator 3.0 is generally available now, so please take a look at all of our other demonstrations of new features and take advantage of this comprehensive platform for data transfer among your largest data stores to simplify, automate, and improve your analytics and AI outcomes.